Let's be honest, painting your walls can be a long, time-consuming pain. So why not use a wall covering instead? In today's LexJet reviews, we'll be talking about Mactac's full wall solution, Mactac ROODLE. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know every time LexJet drops a new video, including our entire series of LexJet reviews. ROODLE is a white, semi-rigid vinyl print media which is ideal for removable indoor wall graphics. That makes it perfect for a full wall, which saves you lots of time on painting. And when it's time for a change, just peel it off and move it, or replace it if you want something new. Now, if you're looking for a solution ideal for posters or other decorative graphics, check out our video on Mactac's wall noodle. You can watch that video right here. If you still have questions about ROODLE or any of LexJet's Mactac solutions, give us a call at 1-800-4LEXJET and one of our printing specialists will be happy to help.